Yes, next question. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The greatest angle is twice the least. Find the angles. The angles of a triangle are in AP means you have these angles A, B, and C. They are in AP means we have to take the AP as A minus D, A plus D. Now we know that these are the terms of the AP when we are considering it in general. So he is telling the angles of an AP means this will be A, this will be A minus D, and this will be A plus D. The greatest angle is twice the least. Find the angles. With this will come to later. Now we know that in this triangle, the sum of all the three angles is 180 degrees. That is because of angle sum property. Therefore, we get A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 180 degrees. So what do we get? Plus D minus D cancel. 3A is equal to 180 degrees. So what we'll get? A is equal to 180 by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, 0. So we get the angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Now, now we know that the question says that the angles of a triangle in AP, the greatest angle. Now, in these three, which is the greatest? A plus D is the greatest. So, when we consider A plus D as the greatest, so according to the question, the statement given is the greatest angle is equal to twice the least angle. So, greatest angle is A plus D. So, A plus D is equal to twice A minus D. So what do we get here? Simplify. A plus D is equal to 2 into A minus 2 into D. Now make the D terms to one side and get the A to one side. So we get D, this minus 2D comes this side, plus 2D is equal to 2A, this A comes this side, minus A. 3D is equal to 2A minus 1A is A. So substitute the value of A here. So what do you get? 3D is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, D is equal to 60 by 3, that is 20. Therefore, D is equal to 20 degrees. So now we can find all the general terms, that is A minus D, that is 60 minus 20, that is 40 degrees. Then A is equal to 60 degrees. We calculated here. Then A plus D is equal to 60 plus 20, that is 80 degrees. So the angles are 40, 60 and 80. That is how we write angle A is equal to 40, not angle A here. A is here, angle A. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Then angle B is equal to 40 degrees. Then angle C is equal to 80 degrees. Now, the angles of the quadrilateral are in AP. The angles of the quadrilateral are in AP means we have to consider the angles which form the AP for the four-sided figure. We are taking this angles as angle A is equal to A, angle B is equal to A plus B, angle C is equal to A plus 2D, angle C is equal to A plus 3D. Because he says that common difference is 10. So when common difference is 10 means we will take the difference of all these angles between the difference will be common difference will be D. Therefore, if we know that we have to add up all the angles because sum of the angles in the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So we will have angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Reason, angle sum property of the quadrilateral. So this is angle A plus D plus C is A plus 2D plus D is A plus 3D is equal to 360 degrees. So we get 1A plus 1A plus 1A plus 1A, 4A plus D 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6D is equal to 360 degrees. But difference is given 10 degrees. So we will put in the place of D, we'll put 10 degrees. 4A plus 6 into 10 is equal to 360. So we get 4A plus 60 is equal to 360. Then 4A is equal to 360. Shift the 60 this side. minus 60. So 4a is equal to 300, and hence a is equal to 300 by 4. 4 sevens are 28, 4 fives are 20. So a is equal to 75 degrees. Now you can substitute in all this. Therefore, angle A is equal to 75 degrees. Angle B is equal to 75 plus 10. We are substituting the angles here. Angle A is 75. Angle D is, we have found here angle D, that it's already given angle T is 10 degrees. So here we substituted, we got 85 degrees. Similarly, angle C is equal to, this is A, 75 plus 2 into 10. 75 plus 2 into 10, that is 75 plus 20, that is 95. Then last angle will be, last angle is angle D here. Angle D is equal to A plus 3D, that is A is 75 plus 3 into 10. The answer is 75 plus 30. The answer is 105 degrees. So we got all the angles as 75 degrees. This is 85 degrees. This is 95 degrees. And this is 105 degrees. Find the sum of natural numbers. Natural numbers, we know the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The last term will be n. We don't know. So sum means you add all these numbers. We will get an AP sequence. The first term is, our first term is A is equal to 1, then D is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, and last term AN is equal to n. So sum of first natural numbers means we have to put the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So what is my Sn? We have to find the sum of n natural numbers. So n is n only. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 brackets 1 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n into 1, n minus 1 into 1 is 1. So we get the answer Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus n. So Sn can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the standard formula. Next, find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. How many terms? N is equal to 20. Terms means n is equal to 20. AP is given 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay. So first sum means we will find S20 is equal to, the formula first we'll write Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into. So we get Sn is S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into, here our a is 1, d is equal to 4 minus 1, d is second term minus first term, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So here we get 2 into 1 plus 20 minus 1 into 3. So here we get 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 brackets 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 3. So what we get? 10 brackets 2 plus 9, 19 threes are 57. So we get the answer, that is 10 into 59. The total answer is 590 degrees. Sum of first in 20 terms. We get the answer for 590. Find the sum of first 30 terms. First is 30 terms. So we need to find S30 is equal to how much? Second term is 2. A2 is 2. Seventh term is 22. A7 is 22. Now from this we get A2 is equal to 2 means A plus, second term is A plus D is equal to 2. We name this as equation 1. A7 is equal to 22 means A plus 6D is equal to 22. So this is your second equation. Now solving for the equations. Solving 2 and 1. Solving 2 and 1. We get A plus 6D is equal to 22. A plus D is equal to 2. Subtract, change the sign. So we need to subtract because we want to cancel this. 6 minus 1 is 5D is equal to 22 minus 2 is 20. Therefore, D is equal to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So we got the D value 4. When we get D value 4, we can substitute the value of D in any one of the equation. Therefore, put D is equal to 4 in equation 1. So what we get? A plus D is equal to 2. A plus 4 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 minus 4. So A is equal to minus 2. So when we have A and D, we can find Sn. We can find Sn. Okay. So we will get Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is Sn? Sn is S30. We want to find 30 terms. So n is 30 by 2 into 2 into minus 2 plus 30 minus 1. 30 minus 1 is 29 into D value is 4. So we get the answer. So we get the answer S30 is equal to 30 by 2 is 15 into minus 4 plus 9 fours are 36, 4 twos are 8, 9, 10, 11, 116. So that is 15 into 116 minus 4 will be 112. So 15 into 112 you can multiply and get the answer. 112, 15, 5 twos are 10, 6, 5 ones are 5 plus 112. 0861. So the S30, sum of the 30 terms is 1680. If the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, find the sum of first n terms. Nth term means an is equal to 2n plus 1. Find the sum of first n terms. So we have to find Sn is equal to how much? So first we will find the AP, put n is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Then second term will be 2 into 2 plus 1, that will be 4 plus 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5. Then third term will be 2 into 3 plus 1, the answer is 6 plus 1 will be 7. So we got it 7. So that therefore AP becomes 3, comma 5, comma 7, so on. Find sum of n terms. So Sn is Sn only. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what do we get here? N is n only. N by 2 into 2 into first term is 3. So 3 plus n minus 1 into d. Difference is 5 minus 3. The answer is 2. So we get the answer here 2. So this n by 2, take 2 common outside, into 3 plus n minus 1. 2 and 2 cancel. So this is n bracket 3 minus 1 is 2 plus n. So finally we get the answer 2 into n. 2n plus n into n square. Therefore Sn is equal to 2n plus n square. How many terms of the series can be taken so that their sum is 513? So Sn is given 513. How many terms of the series can be taken? Means which an is 513, he's asking which an is 513, and explain the double answer. So now our AP is given 54, 51, 48, so on. So our A is 54, D is equal to 51 minus 54, the answer is minus 3. Then Sn is equal to 513. So we know the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn value is 513 is equal to n value we don't know, n by 2 into 2 brackets a value is 54 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So we get 513 is equal to n by 2 into 108, 54 into 2, 108, plus into minus, minus 3 into n, 3n, minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3. So we got the answer 513 is equal to n by 2 into 111 minus 3n. Now cross multiply this, we will get 1026 is equal to 111n minus 3 n into n is 3n square. So we got the equation. Shift this side. So 3n square minus 111n plus 1026 is equal to 0. So 1026 will take the factors. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. This is 3. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So again we will get this 3 15 19 table, 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 21, 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 2 remaining, 3 sevens are 21, 3 ones are 3. 17, 170, 1 will go in, 9 ones are 9, 171, we'll check, 9 ones are 9, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9 nines are 81, 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. Okay, we got this. 19 table, 19 into 9 is 171. Then we got 19 ones are 19. Oh, we have to get the factors here so that the answer is 11. The 11 factors should 111 in, we should get 111 in the center. So we got this as, if we take 9 to the 18, 19, 21, just we'll see. We'll multiply the factors. 3 twos are 6, 6 nines are, no, we cannot get this. Just we will find the factors. Okay. Suppose we take 18 into 19. 9 eights are 72, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 117 plus 8 ones are 8, 1 ones are 1. So we'll get 7. Okay, here. Okay, here we have one. We can take 3 common factor and make the thing simple. Okay. Can we take 3 common factor here? 1, 1, 1 divided by 3 will get 3 threes are 9. 2, 3 sevens are 21. This will be divisible. 1026 divided by 3 will be 3 threes are 9. Okay, this is also divisible by 3. So what will get? Divide by 3. So this will be divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So this will become n square minus 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21, n plus 3 threes are 9, then 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6. So this will become 0. Now you can take the factors of this 342 into n square, 342 n square, and this will become, we'll keep this n square later. Then this is 2. Ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2. Then can I get 9 into 19s are 9 into okay, 18 into 19. 18 into 19 and 18 plus 19. I will get the answer 1737. I'm getting 37 here. 18 into 19 is 342. So we get n square minus 19n minus 18n plus 342 is equal to 0. So here we can again factorize this by taking the common terms from these two. N into n minus 19, and here becomes n minus 19. This n is here, n minus 18. This is the shortcut, but n minus 19 is a common factor in these two. So n minus 18 into n minus 19 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 18 and n is equal to 19. So we were asked to find the terms, which term is there, which is how many terms of the series can be taken. The sum is 513. So if I take last term is given 513. So can I take Sn is equal to S18? If I take Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So Sn will be S18 is equal to 18 by 2 into a value. A value is 54 from above, plus last time is 430. So 2 ones are 2 nines are 18. So we'll get, when we multiply this, what will get the sum of 18 terms. But he's asking to explain the double answer. How we are going to explain the double answer? See, as we go, now we got the AP as 54, 51, 48. It is going on increasing. It is going on increasing. So the difference is negative. The difference is negative. So when we get negative, suppose I check for the 19th term. A19 is equal to A plus 18D. So this is A is 54 plus 18 into minus 3, because D value is minus 3. D1 minus 54. Then this is 54. Then this is 83 is a 54 minus 54. This and this cancel. The answer is 0. So A19 will be 0. 19th term will be 0. So which is the term we have to take? A18, if you take A18 is equal to A plus 17D. So A is 54 plus 17 into D value is minus 3. So we get 54. 54 minus plus into minus minus 51. The answer is 54 minus 1 is 3. So A18 is a 3. So he is asking to explain which is the answer which you are going to take. So if I take the sum of 18 terms, if I take sum of 18 terms, then what I'll get the answer? Sum of terms is given 513. Sum of terms is given 513. Therefore, sum of 18 terms will become, if I take S18 is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So this is 18 by 2 will be 9. 18 by 2 into 54 plus last term is given as, last term we got it as a 1026. Last term we got it as 1026. Here we got, an is given as 513. Then here, and we get it as 18 terms. Sum of 18 terms we should get it as 513. So last term we can take it as 3, because here we have got the 18th term is 3. 18th term is 3. So here we will put it as 3. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So this is 9 brackets 57. So multiply 9 sevens are 63, 9 fives are 45. 9 sevens are 63, 9 fives are 45. 45 plus 6 will become 51. That means we have got sum of 18 terms is 513. This is the verification. We can do the verification after finding the answer if we are not knowing what the answer should be. So it is that here we found the factors n is equal to 18 and 19. He is telling to explain the double answer. Explain the double answer means we got two positive terms. One is 18 term and one is 19 term. So 19 term we got 19 term. This is a first term, second term, third term. Like that 19th term is coming 0. So we cannot take 19. If we take 18 term, 18 will be we are getting 3. Means some place we are getting the answer for the 18th term is 3. So this is our A18 last term it will be. So okay. So here we will put the last term by finding n by 2 into a plus l. So we know all this a we know, n we know, last term we know it is coming 3. So add up and check whether you are getting S18 is equal